angels. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the Jeffree Star Pink Religion of the palette. I'm going to create this look, and this came out really pretty. I really loved it, and also I really love the like Jeffree Star this palette. Loving this. It's like a dream come true kind of palette. Really loving it, and I really liked all the shades of pink. And so I'm going to do the try on and all of that good stuff, so stay tuned. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please support my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and also smash the subscribe button, because that's going to boost this video, and then this would be more visible for bigger audience. So I want to see that, so please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. And it's free, but it's going to help my YouTube channel to grow, so consider subscribing. And now without further ado, let's get to today's video. I'm super excited about this. I have been waiting for so long, and finally my box has arrived. Let's see what we got. Here is how it looks inside. It has that Jeffree Star logo in here and that pink packaging going on. Here is the first thing. I think these are all the lipsticks. This is the Pink Religion. Here is the card. Wow, that looks so pretty. I love this one. For some reason my eyes went to this space in here rather than this space. There is like a face in here. I think that's Jeffree Star's tattoo. My eyes directly went there. Like I was like, whose face is this? Like for a second it looks kind of creepy in this photo. Okay, you ready? Dun, dun, dun. So here is the Pink Religion. Wow, it's just so pretty. So this one has like a wrap around. So here is how she looks, and this looks so pretty. Oh my god, this looks just like a book. So this gold pages in here. Here is the book spine, like this engraving, and it has like this Pink Religion. It has that like engraving kind of, so you could feel it, and it looks like a leather, but I think this is like a vegan leather. So okay, let's reveal the palette. Here we go. Wow, that's just so pretty. Oh my god, I really love this one. So here are all the colors. I'm going to swatch all of these. Handbag Queen, Dollhouse, Vatican, Vanity, and Fashion Faith, Holy Fire, Beauty Killer, Jeffree's World, Candy Cathedral, Pink Fever, Lollipop Luxury, Diva, Prom Night, and oh, there is Pink Religion, Strawberry Youth, Sugar Savory, and Frosting Cult, Saint Star, and the Princess Crown. I'm going to go in with this beauty in here, and that's the Handbag Queen with this blending brush. Wow, that's intense. I didn't expect that at all. And it blends perfectly. And also going with the same thing to my inner corner. I'm going in with the Beauty Killer So just blending that in, and this is what I'm taking, that is the Diva Jeffree Star any eyeshadow palette. It blends like a dream. I mean, I really love how it blends, and it blends like butter. And I'm going to take the same color combination even to my the lower lash line. So I'm going to go in with the handbag green and then followed by the Diva. So I'm going to take this cathedral to my center. See that, how pretty that looks. And I'm going to blend everything in, taking this pink fever to my outer corners as well, and then blending that frosting cult. So I'm going to go with that to my inner corner. See that? And then taking the ColourPop eyeliner in pink and taking the prom night as my blush. And I also have my eyelashes on and my, what else, eyeliner on. Gives me like that bright pop of color to my cheeks. Loving that. And for highlighter, I'm going to use something from the same palette, Frosting Cult. But let's see if that's too big. Oh no, actually it's doing pretty good. See that? Wow, so pretty. I love this one. Wow, why not just put some of this to my nose as well, and left over in here. Now that's what I'm talking about. I really love like how it turned out. So this is the color that I'm looking. Let's see. Okay, so this is the color. Always Faithful. That's just so pretty. Wow. Okay, I'm going to complete my look. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you loved today's video, and if you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.